Hello to WAICY community. I'm Zafira Lazaraki representing Athens College, Greece. The title of my project is Bridging Borders. Motivated by the tragedies and suffering of refugees, my project aims to deal with a small portion of the challenges that these people encounter. My personal experience from a mentoring program for refugees led by my school, where I volunteer as a mentor to help young refugees learn language and basic math, was shocking. I was amazed by the challenges that these people face, so I decided that I should do something helpful for refugees who struggle. I focused my project on helping refugees search for asylum. Migration is a complex issue driven by six key factors. Conflict and persecution remain the leading causes, as wars, political instability, and discrimination force millions to flee for survival. Economic disparities further fuel migration, as poverty and lack of opportunity in many regions push people to seek better lives. Climate change is another rising driver. Droughts, floods, and other disasters are displacing communities. Safety and security concerns push people to leave areas plagued by crime and instability, though the journey to a better life is often just as dangerous. Demographic pressures create a push-pull dynamic, intensifying migration flows. My research focuses on the steps refugees must take to seek asylum and access essential information to ensure their safety. Can advances in machine learning and large language models help guide refugees in asserting their rights and seeking asylum in entry countries that adhere to international laws? My system is multilingual and it exploits the abilities of LLMs to give well-structured answers. Using retrieval augmented generation, my service answers to questions from refugees accurately by consulting a knowledge base from European Council on Refugees and Exiles and Asylum Information Database. Also, using an agentic form, it refines the answers so that it fits the user's profile. It provides a service where the user can submit a paper and have the agent analyze it and explain it to the user. The user can book a meeting using Calendly with a consultant. The system also has conversational memory using an agent for summarization. The first block is called Entry Node and is where the user inputs information about his language, age, and country. Then there is the menu block and is where the user chooses the kind of service he wants. There are many different workflows. The user can either seek advice on asylum, search information to refugee agencies, analyze a paper from the web, book a meeting, send an email, or end the chat. In case of seeking advice on asylum processes, the user interacts with a chatbot that is informed from a knowledge base, which includes all the legal context for many countries. The databases can be found here, and those are the legal documentations of each country, taken from the European Council on Refugees and Exiles and from the Asylum Information Database. And here are the corresponding web pages. In case of searching information from refugee agencies, then there is a workflow for deep search to the agency's websites, so the user can get reliable and current information, and this is the corresponding block. In case the user wants to analyze a paper from the web, the chatbot asks for the picture URL and provides a detailed explanation and analysis on the paper. In case the user wants to book a meeting, the chatbot is connected with AI Calendly event scheduler, and the user can easily book an online meeting whenever he wants. If the user wants to be sent an email, the chatbot asks him for the email and then sends the corresponding email, which can include information about a question he previously asked, about the analysis of a picture, or a scheduled meeting. Integrating the five core concepts of AI into an asylum focused chatbot can revolutionize how refugees access information and navigate complex legal processes. By leveraging perception, reasoning, learning, natural language processing, and knowledge representation, the chatbot can offer personalized, efficient, and adaptive support, addressing users' unique needs in real time. This AI driven approach empowers refugees to make informed decisions while fostering inclusivity and accessibility in critical humanitarian services.